The first step to heat press CAD-CUT Thermo-Film is to load your garment and ensure your print area is flat. This means removing the collar and seams from the print area to prepare for application. The next step is you want to set up your time, temperature, and pressure for the correct application. Thermo-Film applies at 330 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 8 seconds. So I've programmed 330 degrees in 6 seconds for both of my time settings on this machine. The pressure on Thermo-Film is a medium pressure. So what I'll do is I'll lock the machine down to feel for medium pressure. The nice thing about the Hotronix Auto Open Clam is it has a digital pressure readout on the control board. I was reading at a 4. I'm going to increase the pressure a little bit to get right to the middle of a medium pressure, which is a 5 on the machine. So we'll lock that in. I'm at a 5 on the machine. Now I'm prepared to place my design. Now through that process, I've went ahead and preheated my garment. You always want to preheat every garment before positioning your design and heat applying. With the garment preheated and my settings correct on the machine, I will position my design onto my garment. Thermo-Film has a sticky backing, so it holds in place really nicely. I'm going to cover it with the cover sheet, and then I'll lock the press down for the 6-second application. This application is very quick, which will make you efficient in your shop. Thermo-Film is a hot peel, which means I can remove the cover sheet and the carrier immediately right at the press to reveal my completed result. No second application required.